Did you check the flaps? Always check the flaps. Oh, hey guys, how's it going? I'm in an airplane right now. I'm going to start taking off here. Look at this. Isn't that cool? What does this have to do with what we're learning today? I don't know. I just thought it'd be kind of cool if I take off on an airplane. That's what I thought. So here I go. This is crazy. What are we going to do today? Well, actually, we're going to begin researching that planet that we identified last time. I'm going to show you how to do an internet search to find out the information that you need to be able to make the slideshow that we'll do next time. So get ready for our internet search. Whoa, I got to strap in because I'm flying in a plane right now. Ah! Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Now, we have got to find that piece of paper that you worked on last time where you wrote down the name of a planet in the solar system that you could choose to do. You had Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Yeah. And then I was not going to allow you to do Earth because you already live there. So pick a different planet that's not Earth. But for my example, then I am going to do Earth. So you can kind of see what I'm talking about. Earth, write that up there. Earth. Okay. So that name has to be there. Now, what we're going to look for is information in Google. We're going to Google some of these questions here to find what is the information. We're going to use this information to turn it into a slideshow. We just can't have a slideshow if we don't have information for it. So the first thing that we're going to be looking for is we're going to look for the planet's diameter. The diameter of a planet, again, is the distance from one end all the way through to the other end. Then we'll look for the planet's circumference. The circumference of the planet is going to be the distance around, all the way around. Then we'll look for the orbital period. I got to make this a little bit bigger. The orbital period there, okay? The orbital period means how long it takes for the planet to go all the way around the sun. And you're going to see in Earth, I think we know that that takes 365 days. That's how long it takes the Earth to go around the sun. The next thing we're going to look for is the atmosphere of the planet. Then we're going to look for the distance from the sun, the temperature of the planet, and then how many moons that planet has. So what we're going to do is use Google to find this information. Okay, so a lot of times if you just open up a new tab page, you're going to get a Google search page that looks like this, and from here you'll be able to enter in what your search term is. So right here in the middle, we're going to search for the diameter because that is what is on my notes. It says diameter right there. So in my notes, let's see. Now, if I just look for diameter, that's not going to do much good because it's going to give me the diameter of lots of things. And what is the diameter? But I'm trying to find the diameter of my planet. So I need to start it off with my planet name and then the word diameter and then enter to go. Now I see here that it says Earth's diameter is 7,917.5 miles. So on my notes, that's what I'm going to write. 7,000, wait a minute, what did it say? 7,917.5 miles. Okay, good. Now I'm ready to look for the circumference. Now, when I go to Google here and look at Google, I'm going to erase the word diameter. I don't need to erase the word Earth because otherwise I'm just going to type it in again. So now I'm going to type in oh, look at that, circumference. I know that circumference is a long word, and yet Google's pretty good at guessing, like, what are you looking for? Here it is right here. When I click it, 24,901 miles. So I need to write that. 24,901 miles. MI is an abbreviation for miles. I'm good to go. Here we go. Keep going on. Earth's orbital period, it says, is the next one. All right. Orbital. Oh, a lot of orbital things. There it is. Orbital period. Look it up. 365 days. That makes sense because we knew that the Earth goes around the sun 365 days. So 365 days. Notice how I am writing down like the label because I don't want to be confused. 365 miles wouldn't make any sense. 365, I don't know, spins of the coin. That wouldn't make any sense either. I'm trying to think of something that doesn't make sense. That doesn't really make any sense at all. In any case, write down the label that you are looking for, or that you found there, so you know what you're talking about. Okay, the next one is kind of tricky. It says atmosphere. Now, the atmosphere is a gas. What's in the air of your planet? And I've listed some words that you might look for. Could be helium, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, water, maybe something else. So you're going to have to do a little reading. This one's not going to pop right out at you and be like, here's the answer right here. So let's take a look. I'm going to erase orbital period. And I am going to put in atmosphere. Atmosphere. Let's see. Okay, now see right here. I got to do a little bit of reading, and that's fine. It's okay. Earth's atmosphere is composed of 78% nitrogen, oxygen, argon. So even it kind of bolds those words right for me. A lot of times it's going to bold your words too. So nitrogen, oxygen, and argon. That's an interesting gas. Let's go ahead and nitrogen. Let's see if I can do this real quick. Oh yeah. Oops, I'm messing everything up. Okay, that wasn't good. Sorry. Nitrogen, oxygen, and argon. Didn't know the argon part. Distance from the sun. All right, so once again, distance from the sun, 91.407. Now, when you get something like this, like make sure you get your commas right and your points right, because all of this means different things. Let's see here. So there it says distance from the sun, 91.407. 91.407. Oh, there it is. Yep, 91.407. What else we got here? Yeah, that's what I wanted to do. And I didn't want to do it. Temperature of your planet. Temperature. Okay, let's take a look here. Temperature of my planet, Earth. Temperature. Now, when you look at the temperature, you're probably going to have to look for something in Fahrenheit, F. And if you don't see the F, you're going to have to look down for something along the lines of F. The average is 61 degrees F. F means Fahrenheit. You see that one right there? Okay, so I found that just a little bit down the page. So I'm going to go ahead, 61 degrees Fahrenheit. 61 degrees Fahrenheit. And last is how many moons? Earth. How many moons does it have? Let's bring that up. How many Earth moons? One. One Earth moon. Okay. There we go. Write that in there. One. Now, if you flip the page over, then one of the things that you'll see is there's a back. And the back looks like this. It's interesting things. And what this is 3 facts about your planet. So we're going to look for facts, Earth facts. And again, we might have to read, but this is places that we can find some facts. Here I see Earth facts. Okay, Earth, our home planet, is a world on the 3rd planet from the sun. That's a fact. Here's the 5th largest planet in the solar system. It's also a cool fact. The only one to have water. So I'm going to take those facts. I'm going to put it on my notes here, right here in the back. I just need one on each. So 3rd planet, that's a fact. 5th largest planet. It's the largest of the inner planets. It's good to know. And then I said only planet to have, ooh, that doesn't look like have, what did I say? Liquid water, right? Liquid water. Okay. So that is how we are going to do our research today. You're going to Google this stuff. I guarantee you, this information is all out there. I guarantee it. You just got to look for it. Once you get it collected, you can stop, put it away, and save it for next time. So next time, we're going to turn it into our slideshow. Okay? All right. Good luck. Happy searching. If you get stuck, you can ask a parent. I'm sure that they can help you find the answer to the questions that we're looking for as well. All right. I will see you next time in computer science, and we'll do our slideshow.